Okay, well this is my crafting every day in May, um, day 19, and what I was doing this morning was I got these. This is my Unity stamp for, what day is this? Unity stamp for May, which I had not shown in my videos yet. I had not made a video on it because I had not opened them up yet. So these are those things that I buy, to the easy mount things that I buy to put these on. Makes it real easy to store for me. And what I do is I take the paper backing off, and as you can see, I still have stuff on my desk from yesterday. It's all been sitting there, just kind of hanging out. I used it, and I was going to make something else with it, but then I did not. So this can get put over here. There we go. So I put these on here, and then I'm going to take some of these designs and make a little card for one of my pen pals, and I'll show you the images that came in this. These images are really big. I love these stamps because of that, these Unity stamps. And I've never had a kit that I've received that I have not liked. I like them all. They're very, very nice. But anyhow, this is what I'll probably be doing for day 19, is stamping out some of these images and creating a card. And then of course I also want to watch the royal wedding today. I'm gonna see when I'm gonna catch it. I haven't started watching it yet, but I'm gonna record it. I think my husband's gonna record it for me. But these are the images that I'm gonna be stamping out today, and I'm going to see what I can create with them. I love, they actually put a mermaid in one of their kits this time. I do have one of theirs that I got, and I have to look for it. Another mermaid that they had a little bit ago, but this one's kind of cute too. So those are just the images that I'll be stamping out today. And then I'm going to finish putting these things on here. But anyway, my husband, I think he's recording the wedding for me, and I'm going to watch some of that too. I remember, I didn't watch too much of Kate and Charles's wedding. Not Charles, what's the other fella's name? I always forget the name of the other prince. Prince William, I think. I didn't watch too much of their wedding, him and Kate, but I did watch when Diana married Prince Charles when I was a lot younger. My grandmother used to love keeping up with all their news, and we watched that whole wedding when I was growing up. So the whole thing I got to watch back when I was a little girl. So I don't keep up with them as much, with the royals, as much as my grandmother used to, because she was really into them. But I do keep up a little bit with some of it. And so anyhow, I'm going to be doing that today. And I'll be back at a later time, or I might add it to this video. I'm not sure yet if I make it a separate to show you some of the stamped images and some ideas that I have kind of swirling in my head about what I want to do with them. So anyhow, you all have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you here real soon. Bye now. Hello, how is everyone doing this evening? I am back to show, this is the finished card that I created for crafting every day in May. I started it, and I had another little clip of it where I started it, and this is the finished card. And I have not completed it on the inside, but I'm thinking that I am going to put a white sheet of paper in here or a colored sheet of paper here where I can write on, or I am going to write the message. I have the jelly roll in white, and I might just write the message in white so that way the person who receives it can actually read the message, versus if I write it in ink, there's just no way. So I might just doodle a little bit on the corners and then write my message with a white jelly roll pen. Anyhow, that is what my card looks like, and I used some markers to color in the flower, made it really bright, and then the saying that says, because when you stopped and looked around, this life is pretty amazing. And it is the truth. I mean, just life nowadays is so precious to me now than when I was, much younger. And every day is just a gift to me. And at my age, I'm not an old person, but I'm not 25 anymore. So it's just so that's this sentiment really hit home. So that's why I use that sentiment. Anyhow, this is the end of this crafting with every day with May, and I think I'm not sure if this what day this is, but I will probably put it in, on the screen in letters what day it belongs to, because I can't remember if it's what day I just can't remember right off the top of my head right now. But anyhow, I'll see you all in the next day. We're only halfway through thereabouts, so we've got another half a month to go. All right, see you all later. Any comments, please place them down below.